everyone, welcome back. Let's talk about the best deals going on at Walgreens this week. I'll share all the deals that I did as well as how I used my spend 30 get $7 in Walgreens cash digital booster and share some pictures of items that I found on clearance this week. First of all, thank you to everyone for all the birthday wishes. My birthday was Friday. It's kind of fun to have a birthday on a holiday weekend, but unfortunately my son has been sick, so that's been a bummer. His show was great. He did a fabulous job, but sadly he hasn't been feeling well the last couple of days. I think he's on the mend, no more fever. But thank you to everyone who took the time to subscribe to the channel, drop a comment, like the video. Again, none of those things cost you anything but help me out, so I really do appreciate it. Let's talk about the deals. I'm going to talk to you about a couple of deals that you want to do in store. The reason you want to do them in store is because they give a register reward, and you can't get a register reward if you are placing a curbside order. So let's talk about the Tresemme deal. These are on sale for $6 each. You want to pick up 2 of them. That's $12. When you purchase 2, you get a $5 register reward. You can also submit your receipt to Ibotta, where you're going to get $2 back on each of them for a total of $4 back, making your final cost $3 for both, or just $1.50 each. Not the best price we've seen on Tresemme, but if you're looking for some stuff to add into a spin deal, or you're getting close to an Ibotta bonus, that might be one to check out. Now, the Dove shampoo and conditioners are $4. You want to pick up 2 of them. Now, don't use a coupon, okay? Because the Ibotta offer excludes coupons. So we want to pick up 2 at $8. That's what we're going to pay. We'll get back a $5 register reward, as well as $2 each on Ibotta, so that's $4. And then I got a $1 Unilever bonus. So I got back $5 on Ibotta, making my final cost free and a $2 moneymaker. So another deal you would want to do in store because it's a register reward deal. Another deal that I did not do, I don't like register rewards because I forget to use them. So I did not do this deal, but there is Crest toothpaste on sale for $5. You want to pick up 2 of them for a total of $10. There's a $3 digital coupon. You'll pay $7. Get back a $3 register reward, and submit your receipt to Ibotta, where you'll get $5 back for buying both of those toothpaste, making it free and a $1 moneymaker. Alternatively, if your store doesn't have the toothpaste, you could get 2 of the Oral-B toothbrushes priced at $3, so that's $6 total. Minus the $3 digital, you'll pay $3, get back a $3 register reward, making them both free. Now, deals you can do either in-store or curbside. Now, the price in-store might be a little bit higher than what you see curbside, so just keep that in mind, but you could do these deals either way. The Blink Dry Contacts, sadly, my brain was not working and I made my graphic wrong this morning. If you pick up 2 of these, it is $11.98. There is a $6 manufacturer digital and then a $3 store digital. So the $3 store digital will take off $3 for one. It's going to take off $1.98 on the other. So a total of $4.98 will come off using that $3 store digital, leaving you to pay $1 for both, or just 50 cents each. Not a bad price there. The Nature's Bounty, I talked about this last week. It was a better deal last week, but if this is something you buy all the time, let's talk about the deal. You buy 2 of these at $7.99. They're buy one, get one free, and there's a $1.50 digital, so you pay $6.49. Submit your receipt to Ibotta for $5 back, making it $1.49 for both of them, or just 74 cents each. Now, this might be my favorite deal this week. The Baby Lips, they are buy 2, get the 3rd one for free. So we want to pick up 3 of them. The curbside price is $5.49. You just have to check your store to see what they're priced at in your store. I did this curbside. So pick up 3 of them at $5.49, minus the buy 2, get 1 free sale, minus the $6 digital, you'll pay $4.98. and then get back $5 in Walgreens cash for purchasing 2 of them, making all 3 of them completely free. I included this in a spin deal, so I'll tell you about that here in just a moment. Another amazing deal is on the CoverGirl mascara. Pink or purple. There are other options. I know both of these qualify for the Ibotta offer because this is the deal I did this morning. Buy 3 of the CoverGirl mascaras priced at $6.29. Again, that's the curbside price. Your in-store price might be higher. They are buy 2, get 1 free. I had a $4 digital, so I paid $8.58. And then I got back $3 for each of them on Ibotta, so $9 back on Ibotta, leaving my final cost to be free for all 3 of them, or a 42-cent moneymaker. And another deal, not as good, but it brings up a good point that I want to talk about with the new app. So these L'Oreal mascaras are $10.99 each. They're also buy 2, get 1 free. So that's going to take off $10.99 when you purchase 3 of them. I had a $10 digital coupon. Then you can use the promo code for a curbside order, L'Oreal3. It's going to take an additional $3 off, leaving your final cost for all 3 of these to be $8.98 or just $2.99 each. Again, not the best price, but if you're doing a spin deal, you might include this in your spin deal. Now, that promo code, someone messaged me earlier in the week and they're like, where do you enter promo codes now? I don't even see a spot for it. And I was like, there's a box, like there always has been. My app had not updated yet. It updated the next day, and that box for the promo code is gone. So like the August 15, the WAG 10, the Senior 20, the L'Oreal 3, there's nowhere to put that promo code right now in the app. If your app has been updated and you see that, let us know in the comments. Mine is still not showing the box anymore. So what I did is I shopped through the app, but then I went to the actual website from the internet on my phone, and there is a place for the coupon code in the Walgreens website still. So if you have a promo code you want to enter, do it through the website versus the app. That way you can enter the code and you won't have issues. Hopefully that answered that question. Now, there are P&G products, not all of them, but look under the product. You'll see something that says spend 20 in P&G, get $5 in Walgreens cash. Both of these qualified. So this is the Big Tide, the Oxy with Odor Eliminator. This is the 3.1 liter. This is a big one. This one's priced at $15.99. This one here, the Tide Free and Gentle, this is priced at $5.49. I had a $1 digital for this one. I had a $4 digital for this one. So you pay $16.48 for both, get $5 in Walgreens cash back, and then your total is $11.48 for both of these, which is a great deal on Tide, and I like Tide detergent. Now, I included this in my spend deal. So let me quickly show you how I used my spend 30, get $7 in Walgreens cash digital booster. I picked up this Tide at $15.99, this one at $5.49, and then 3 of the Baby Lips priced at $5.49. I had the $4 digital, the $1 digital, and the $6 digital. Before the coupons, it came out to $32.46. After the manufacturer coupons, it came out to $21.46. That's what I paid. Remember, you have to pay that to get the spend deal money back. I got back the $7 for spending 30, the $5 for spending 20, and then the $5 for buying 2 of the Baby Lips, bringing my final cost for all of those items down to just $4.46, which is a great price for the detergent alone. I think that was everything. There were a couple more deals that I did not do. There was the large Tide Simply, the big yellow one, marked down to $10.99. There was a $1 digital that makes it $9.99. And then the little travel Advil, it was $3.79. There was a $3 digital attaching. I don't know if it'll still be attaching when you see this video, but it was when I wrote it up, making it just 79 cents. I throw those in my car And then the Bic Soleil Escape, $5.49. There is a $4 digital on that razor, making it just $1.49. I'll be honest, I slept in this morning and I have not had a chance to do the grocery matchups yet. I know there are good grocery deals. I just haven't had a chance to look at them yet. If you want to share some of those down in the comments, feel free to. But hopefully I'll be working on those a little bit later today. Anything else I want to share? I think that's everything. Stay tuned to the end where I'll show you pictures of items that I saw on clearance. If I'm forgetting anything, let me know down in the comments. I hope y'all have a fabulous week and a great holiday weekend if you have the day off. Don't forget to check the community tab from my main YouTube page because I do consistently post deals there as well. Thanks, everyone.